So the options were we could go to the Hershey outlets, to the Disney outlets, but let's be honest, that is a speed bump. Boop. Let's be honest, I was going to spend money because I haven't been there in a while, and I have a feeling there are things that I want in that outlet, so that may not have been the best choice, especially with a big trip coming up. So instead we decided to come to Chocolate World, and that's a speed bump. But it is very packed because it's the end of June and it's summer and everybody's here at the park or at Hershey Chocolate World. So I've done Chocolate World a few times for my vlogs. It was my very first vlog, so I'm back a year later. We came for Halloween. Great time to come is Halloween. The park is open with this, like, special event tickets, and then you can actually trick-or-treat at a few select stops. Was it like 4 stops or something at Chocolate World? Chocolate World is free to enter. The chocolate ride is free to do, and then there's extra things you can do that you do have to pay for, but you can actually just walk in here, enjoy the air conditioning, shop around if you want to, and go on the Chocolate World and get a free bar of chocolate and not spend a dang dime. So we're just gonna go in and take a once around and see if they have anything new. I'll show you just bits and pieces of it, and if there's anything new, I'll show you that as well. They always have like a new milkshake, and like I want to see what it is now. It was key lime, I think, when we came last. I think it was key lime Kit Kat. So let's see what it is now. Best part of this place is how it smells when you first walk in. All you can smell is chocolate. So some new things, of course, you know, summertime, whatever. We got the Jolly Rancher cups, but they're so good. Check this out. I like that. They are $16.95 per cup. And of course, we got extra long Twizzlers and regular Twizzlers, but we have wild berry Twizzlers as well, 2 for $6. Twizzlers, we got Pink Guava and Paradise Punch Filled Twists. I never had these. I wonder how they are. They look really good though. And just in case you like that sweet and salty combination, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups now come with pretzels or with potato chips. I personally like the pretzels better, but neither are a bad option. They're actually very good. So Hershey, very much like Disney, has their own pin line. This one is very cool. I like this one. But we're here. Let's ride the ride. I love that ride. If you wanted to see the full chocolate ride, I do have it on my TikTok, so follow it there. But I mean, that picture exists over there. As always, when you get off the ride, you do get yourself a little mini chocolate bar. Yeah, it's kind of worth it just for this. I don't know. Also, can we take a minute to like enjoy this view? Check it out. So lots to do, lots to see in just this little area. Like, it's free to come in, roam, do the Chocolate World ride, get your bar of chocolate. We're gonna stop and grab a drink. I do still want to see about what kind of milkshake they have and see if we can find any extra new stuff that I noticed. Like these guys. He's so cute. There's a cow too, don't worry. We got the cow. Hi! How are you? You're on my YouTube channel. Just been told that over with the food in this area, they have a thing for June called Pride Punch, and it's the last day of June. So let's see what this is about. They also have a Jolly Rancher slush for $5, the Pride one, where it's like each one, so like cherry, orange, pineapple, green apple, blueberry, raspberry, and watermelon. Yeah. That sounds really good too. But one of the machines is down, so I know we can't get that at this time. Look at those cupcakes. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. I needed to get it. So, the Pride Punch from Hershey's Chocolate World. I'm going to say that maybe today's the last day because it's June 30th, but who knows? Maybe they'll keep it on. Maybe it's like a really good drink. But I do love that my straw is a Twizzler. That's awesome. Alright, I don't know how to drink out of this. We'll figure it out. Can you? Wow. Super fruity. You can taste blue carousel in there. I'm gonna say there's like an orange juice in there and maybe a grenadine. But it's good. It's very fruity. It's on the sweeter side. Ice cold, thank God, because I do need a cold drink. But even if they name this anything else, it would be a very good drink just to stop and have. I do recommend this. This is nice. So the milkshake of the month or season, or I don't even know how they do this, is the Kit Kat Duos with strawberry and dark chocolate, which looks so good. I see these like amazing sundaes they have going on there. Yeah, so this is like their ice cream and milkshakes. And oh my gosh, do you see those? Like there's a Reese's one. Oh, I wonder if I can get a little closer. So if you can see the screen a little bit more, they have a milkshake flight for $15, which looks absolutely amazing with that Reese's peanut butter cup one. I love the chocolate and peanut butter. That's the best combination. They do have the souvenir cup. That seems to be like a big thing here. And I had a Reese's sundae. I don't know if it will switch in between. It's not going to switch. Nope, not going to switch. Regardless, Chocolate World does have a lot to do. You cannot spend an entire day here. Maybe a few hours, grab something to eat, cool off. If you're in the parks and you'd like to come here to just have a rest, get some good food. Apparently they have like a beer and alcohol option on top of that. Milkshakes, ice cream, giant pretzels, all that stuff. This is always a good option. I'm so glad that a year ago this was my first vlog and I braved it out and did it, and now I'm back and doing it again with a little bit more comfort, a little more comfortable in front of the other. Another thing that I noticed is this. They now have perfect pairings at Hershey's Chocolate World, which is a 21 plus chocolate and wine tasting event on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. I believe it's in room 1973. I'm assuming because it's right outside. See. This sounds wonderful. So maybe we will come back. I'm gonna scan it to just see how much the tickets are. Maybe we'll come back for a day and do this. And if you can see, like, just from the picture, they got all types of wines. They have chocolates, all different types of chocolates, and then they have pretzels and chips as well. But I guess if I step like a millimeter back, you could actually see that. Yeah, this looks really good, and I'd love to try it. So definitely a stop if you're in Hershey today is Chocolate World. I will always recommend it. Like I said, it's something fun and free and quick to do, and it pleases the kids. You get to see the characters. That was my first character hug since I don't even know when. I think it was at Disney the last one, and it wasn't any of the last Disney trips I've had. So that was my first post-COVID character hug. And that just like hit so hard. But thank you for sticking around with me and checking out Chocolate World along with Trobes. Like you guys said, if you want to see the whole Chocolate World ride or the Trobes Art Gallery, they are both on my TikTok, and you can follow that and follow along for other little adventures and tidbits of what I do on there, plus like some crazy like home life as well. And if you like what you saw today, give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for future adventures. Comment below which you like better. Do you want to go to Trobes? Do you want to go to Chocolate World? Would you like to go to both? I'm messing everything up today, and this never goes smoothly. If you ever find a video of mine where this whole thing goes smoothly, please just be like, Kelly, we found it. We found the video that you did your whole outro smoothly. It doesn't ever work. So make sure you comment what you thought of today's adventure. Subscribe, ring the bell for future notifications. And until we meet again, and hopefully in the next video, see It's one step closer to our biggest trip. Stay geeky.